What if I told you time isn't something you move through, it's something your brain creates? The seconds ticking on your phone is not universal. The past you swear is behind you may not actually be behind anything. Physics and even neuroscience agree on one thing. Time is way weirder and way less real than we've been taught. And once you understand this, your whole life starts to feel different. Welcome back to Between Lines, where we talk about the truths hidden in plain sight. Today we're pulling apart one of the biggest illusions in your life, our belief that time is absolute, linear, and real. By the end of this video, you'll see why physicists, psychologists, and even your own memories suggest something radical. Time doesn't flow. You do. Let's dive in. We think we experience time like a straight line, past, present, and then future. Simple, right? But your brain is lying to you a little. There's no built-in clock in your brain. What you experience as time is just your mind stitching together attention, memory, emotion, and prediction into one smooth story. Think about when you're hanging out with someone you love. Hours vanish. But when you get stuck in a waiting room, 5 minutes feels like torture. Nothing about the universe changed. Only your brain's processing changed. Psychologists call this subjective time. Basically, your mind is remixing reality in real time. Sir Isaac Newton believed time was absolute, a cosmic clock ticking the same for everyone, everywhere. Simple, clean, and universal. This view controlled science for 200 years. Then Einstein walked in and basically said, no. In 1905, he proved time is relative. It changes depending on your speed, your gravity, and your motion. Time is flexible, elastic, and personal. If you get on a spaceship and move almost at the speed of light, your time slows down. Months pass for you, but years pass on Earth. If you returned home, everyone you knew would be older, but you barely aged. That's not sci-fi. That's physics. Einstein's next idea changed everything. Gravity isn't a force. It's a curve in space-time. Mass bends space-time, and when space bends, time bends with it. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. A clock at the top of a mountain ticks faster than a clock at sea level because it's farther from Earth's gravity. You age slightly faster on a plane than someone sitting on the ground. This is where things get crazy. Relativity isn't just theory. It runs your life. The GPS in your phone, it only works because engineers correct for the fact that satellites move fast, so time runs slower, and satellites are higher in weaker gravity, so time runs faster. Both effects fight each other. If we didn't correct this, your location would be wrong by kilometers per day. Your phone knows where you are because time does not behave. Some physicists believe something radical. The flow of time is an illusion. All moments, past, present, and future, already exist. This idea is called the block universe theory. Imagine time like a movie reel. All frames exist, but your consciousness only sees one frame at a time. You remember being a kid. The moment still exists in the block. Your mind just isn't located there anymore. Some physicists even go further. Maybe time isn't fundamental. Maybe it's something that emerges from change, motion, and perception. The universe might not have a before or after, just events, relationships, and interactions. Time could be a mental shortcut, a pattern, a story, or a property that only appears at large scales. Think about it. Wetness doesn't exist at the level of individual molecules. It only appears when you have a lot of them. Time could be like that, not a basic ingredient, just a side effect of something deeper. If time is relative, flexible, and maybe not even real, how are we supposed to understand our lives? Here's the beautiful part. Your past isn't fixed, your future isn't distant, and your present moment is richer than you think. Because you're not moving through time, you're carving it. Your attention shapes it, your memories rewrite it, your speed and gravity bends it. Time is not a cage, it's a canvas. Mindfulness makes moments feel longer, fear makes them stretch, flow makes them disappear, trauma makes them collapse, and joy makes them glow. You create the timeline as you walk it. Time isn't universal. It bends, stretches, slows, and speeds, depending on gravity, motion, and your own brain. It's not a river flowing around you. It's something you build from the inside out. If this changed the way you see reality, subscribe to Between Lines, where we question the things you didn't even know were questions. Comment below, if time wasn't real, how would you live differently? Until next time, stay curious, stay awake, and remember, the universe isn't ticking. You are.